Hi, welcome to Mathematics Questions channel, and we are looking into the 8th question of ASVAB series. Be present with the video till the end because I'll also be sharing the concepts of this question while solving it so that you don't miss it. So let's start with the question. Question says Tom earns $8.10 per hour and worked 40 hours. Mike earns $10.80 per hour. How many hours would Mike need to work to equal Tom's earnings over 40 hours? Okay. So the Tom's earnings would be, question is giving Tom's earning. Tom's earning is 8.10 times 40. Per hour is this rate 8.10 and he is working for 40 hours. So this is his total earning. We will not multiply it here because we will need later. I'll explain why we are not multiplying this here. And Mike's earning would be 10.80 multiplied by how many hours? This 40 hours is not of Mike. Okay, we have to calculate Mike's hours because the question says how many hours Mike would need to work. So I assume it as X, and because both earnings would be equal, because it says need to work to equal Tom's earnings, so we have to make this both equal. Multiply X equals 8.10 times 40. Now bring this to the division side. Just mention here, remove from here, mention here, and you remove this dot from both up and down, so it becomes 810 multiply 40 divide by 1080. This 0 cancels out, both are cancelling by 9, common is 9, so 9 times 9 is 81, and here 9 times 1 is 9 and carry is 18, carry is 1 to 18, so 9 times 2 is 18. Now divide this by 3 and also this by 3, so it becomes 4. Now divide 4 by here, 410, multiply these two, only upper one, the numerator ones, that becomes 30. So answer is 30. Finally, there is one more method that's exactly similar how this is working, that is ratio and proportion. I'll also show that. So whatever strikes to your mind at the time of examination, and just you can do it. So ratio and proportion would be Tom's earning is to Mike's earning multiply. See, the question here is how it works. If Tom earns per hour this, then to equal, should he work more hours to equal the person who is working, like Mike is working at the high rates, so should he work more hours or less hours? You have to see that. So if he is working 8 hours, $8 per hour, then he should be working more, right? So when the ratio is inverse, when you have to do something in the inverse, so you have to write the corresponding value to down, the below, like in the denominator. So here the 40 will come into denominator and X will go to numerator. This is how the ratio and proportion work. Rest all I explained. This multiplies here and this multiplies here, and all you can solve, right? So yeah, you can continue solving it. Please solve it, and the answer should be 30. If it's not 30, then somewhere you are making mistakes in calculations. Thank you. Please like, comment, send your questions, and share this video to your friends who are preparing for ASVAB, and also please subscribe the channel. We really need your support. Thank you so much.